How to stay healthy on a raw food diet. Raw food means uncooked, unrefined, and unprocessed food. Maintaining a raw food diet has many health benefits, including the preservation of enzymes that aid in digestion and absorption of nutrients, but that are often destroyed by the heat of cooking. Additionally, anti-aging and anti-cancer ingredients found in some uncooked foods. Raw foods are preserved in a raw food diet. However, in order to make sure that your raw food diet remains healthy, you must know about the essential nutrients, understand the principles of the diet, and overcome its drawbacks. 1. Understand simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are basic sugars that include glucose, fructose and galactose. They give instant energy to your body and are an essential part of a raw food diet. All kinds of ripe fruit are good sources of simple carbohydrates. The most abundant raw food sources of simple carbohydrates are mangoes, grapes, melons, bananas, and papayas. 2. Understand complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are complex sugars that break down more slowly in the intestine. This type of carbohydrate provides more sustained energy because they take the body longer to process. Complex carbohydrates are found in animals as glycogen and in plants as starches. In a raw food diet, legumes, wheat, rye, oat, corn, yam, rice, carrots, and grains are common sources of complex carbs. 3. Realize that animal proteins are complete. Animal proteins, like that found in eggs, milk, clams, oysters, fish, and dairy products, are first-class proteins because they provide all the essential amino acids. However, if you are on a raw food diet, some of these foods may be difficult to consume without cooking. You can immerse eggs or fish in boiling water for 5 to 6 seconds to reduce the raw taste. 4. Know that you have to combine plant proteins to get all the essential amino acids. Plant proteins are second-class proteins, meaning that no single type of plant can provide all the essential amino acids in one package. However, if you combine plant proteins strategically, you can improve the quality of your protein intake. Examples of plant protein sources are germinated nuts, dry beans, seeds, sunflower, pumpkin, sesame seeds, and grains. To germinate the seeds and nuts, you need to put them in a cup and add water. Do this at night so the seeds will be ready to eat the next morning. These seeds and nuts can be complemented by legumes to provide complete sets of amino acids. 5. Understand the need for fats. Fat is an essential component of any healthy diet. Fat provides ample energy to the body, and some types of fat, such as omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, can provide cardiovascular benefits. Nuts, seeds, avocado, coconut butter, flaxseed, and mustard oil are good sources of fat. Olive oil, soybean oil, corn oil, and sunflower oil can be used to increase the flavor of food as well as meet fat requirements. 6. Make sure you get the right vitamins and minerals. Almost all plant foods are rich in some types of vitamins and minerals. However, green leafy vegetables are the most abundant sources of the various nutrients that your body needs to function properly. There is a wide variety of vitamins and minerals that are essential to the body's function, such as iron, magnesium, zinc, fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, and many others. You can prepare salads, or consume lettuce, carrot, kelp, and grass juice to make sure you are getting the right amount of vitamins and nutrients. Read more. Click the link below.